I'll sing you a song of a time such as these, though many a year has now passed.
Hey everybody, today's story happened about a month ago. A buddy of mine who graduated last year, he's in a band a few towns over, and he got a gig playing a show at a bar and bowling alley. And he invited us all to come see him, all of his friends from school. Well, we all went to go see him. There was a group of about 10 of us. But two of the guys who went were 20 years old. They weren't 21 yet. And they had no intentions of drinking. They just wanted to go and see their friend play a show and then leave. They had no intentions of consuming alcohol. And I said, well, you know, maybe they won't card and they'll let you in. I mean, maybe they'll card if you order something, but maybe they won't card just to let you in the door. Sure enough, they did. We got there, and just to walk into the bar area, if you leave the bowling alley area and go right into the bar, they carded you. So my two friends, two of the people I was closest to, couldn't get in. So that was kind of a bummer. But our buddy told us, hey, the friend who was in the band, said, hey, you know, you could just sneak in around back. I mean, and what I did was I went to the owner and I said, here's my student minister's license. They're not going to drink, and I promise I won't let them drink. And I won't drink either. Like, the three of us will promise not to have anything. And we'll sit near the door where you can watch us if you want to. I'm like, we're not going to consume a drop. We just want to watch the band. That wasn't quite enough to convince anybody. So anyways, our buddy who's in the band said, hey, why don't you just go around back? I can get you in. I can just give you something to carry in when it's our band's time to set up, and you'll get in that way, no problem. And I wasn't nuts about this, but I said, all right, we'll do it. So we wait for the other band to get done, and they do. And our buddy walks out the door, just looks at us and goes, okay guys, if you're going to make a run for it, now's the time. And then just keeps walking. So we don't know what to do. We're just like, oh, okay. So just, okay, just walk in, just be confident. Walk in. We realized that we weren't walking into a backstage area. The door led on stage with the lights fully lit. Yeah. So our attempt to sneak into this bar, we snuck in on stage. And no one noticed. For the first 10 minutes we were in there, we're just like, yeah, we did it, yeah, it's great. But then I think somebody probably tipped off the bouncer and was like, really guys, you want to go in on stage? So yeah, so my first attempt at sneaking into a bar happened when I was 22 years old and had nothing to do with alcohol whatsoever. So that's my fun story for the day. More will be coming, and take care guys. Bye.